Charles Yeo Yao Hui, a lawyer and former chairman of Singapore's Reform Party, has been released on bail of £75,000 in the United Kingdom as legal proceedings for his extradition unfold. Yeo, 33, surrendered to UK authorities on November 4 following a request from the Singapore government. Yeo is wanted in Singapore for several criminal charges, including abetment of cheating and offences under the Protection from Harassment Act. These charges stem from allegations that he misappropriated funds from his law firm, harassed a public servant, and made comments that wounded religious feelings. In July 2022, Yeo fled Singapore while out on bail, ostensibly to Vietnam to meet a witness for a case he was handling. Despite being scheduled to return, he absconded and later announced via social media that he was seeking political asylum in the UK. His bail of 15,000 Singapore dollar, secured by his mother, was subsequently forfeited. Yeo is represented by Ben Cooper KC of Doughty Street Chambers in contesting the extradition request and advised by his lawyer Naga Kandiah of MTC Solicitors, who is handling his asylum application. Mr. M. Ravi, who shared the news, also noted that contrary to the reports by Singapore media outlets of Yeo being arrested, he had surrendered voluntarily at the police station at the direction of the UK police. According to the Attorney General's Chambers, AGC, Singapore has submitted an extradition request to the UK for Yeo's return. The case centres on allegations of abetment of cheating involving funds released to his law firm as part of a settlement for a client's claim. The AGC stated, "The matter is now before the UK courts, and the UK Crown Prosecution Service will follow up on this in accordance with UK laws governing extradition. As the case is pending judicial proceedings, the AGC declined further comment." Yeo has maintained that the charges against him are politically motivated. He alleges persecution for his opposition to Singapore's government, particularly its handling of human rights and capital punishment cases. Before his escape, Yeo faced 6 charges in Singapore. These included 3 counts of wounding religious feelings through social media posts and harassing a police officer on duty. His Instagram posts in 2020 and 2021 targeted specific individuals and institutions, prompting legal action. In November 2022, Yeo was convicted of contempt of court for comments he made on Instagram that criticized the judiciary. He was fined 20,000 Singapore dollar in January 2023 and ordered to pay 16,000 Singapore dollar in legal costs. Additionally, Yeo faced scrutiny for his involvement in a failed legal challenge against Singapore's death penalty laws, in collaboration with Malaysia's Lawyers for Liberty. The Court of Appeal dismissed the case and ordered Yeo to pay 4,000 Singapore dollar in personal costs to the Attorney General. Yeo was part of the Reform Party team that contested Ang Mo Kio GRC during Singapore's general election in 2020. The team, led by Kenneth Jeyaretnam, was soundly defeated by the People's Action Party, led by then Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong, which secured 71.91% of the vote. Following the election, Yeo became an outspoken critic of Singapore's government. He used social media to address contentious issues, including freedom of speech and the judicial system. Since fleeing Singapore, Yeo has continued to allege political persecution. He contends that the charges are part of a broader effort to silence dissent and curtail opposition politics. Yeo is reportedly listed among at-risk human rights defenders by international bodies, including UN rapporteurs. He chose the UK for asylum, citing confidence in its impartial legal system. Yeo argued that his extradition case would expose what he claims are biases in Singapore's judicial and political framework.